Good morning from the NASDAQ market site in Times Square. I'm Jane King for The Street, and today is Friday, June 12th. Coming up today, producer prices for May are reported. The University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment is issued also for May, and the House is set to vote on the fast-track trade authority for President Obama. Well, it could be a big weekend at the box office. Jurassic World expected to have an opening around $125 million in the U.S. It does open in 4,200 theaters, so Jurassic World is Universal Pictures' widest release ever. Overseas, Jurassic World has already made a dent in the international box office, opening in a few countries yesterday, like China and France, and it is making it in China's the country's sixth biggest foreign film debut of all time. Well, investors are applauding the departure of embattled Twitter CEO Dick Costolo. Shares of the short messaging service are up about 8% in the pre-market, trading on the news that Costolo will leave July 1st. He's being replaced by co-founder and chairman Jack Dorsey as the interim CEO. Investors have been increasingly impatient with his efforts to monetize the popular short messaging service. Shares are down 20% as a publicly traded company going back to November of 2013. So that means investing in this high growth stock has left investors out of a massive market rally. And BlackBerry considering a move to Android. Reuters says it's considering Google's Android software for the first time, and that's an acknowledgement that its revamped line of devices has failed to win mass appeal. The sources, who asked not to be named, said the move to use Android is part of BlackBerry's strategy to pivot to focus on software and device management. BlackBerry, which once dominated smartphone sales, now has a market share of less than 1%. And that is a wrap for us. But be sure to track breaking news and analysis all day at thestreet.com. At the NASDAQ market site in Times Square, I'm Jane King for The Street. Have a great day.